Hello children, hope you all are doing well and have read the competencies. In this video, let us acquaint ourselves with the paper pattern of terms and unit tests. So children, let us know about unit tests. You have got unit test 1 and 2 combined before term 1 and unit test 3 and 4 combined before term 2. Each unit test carries 20 marks. Format for unit test is question 1 seen passage 5 marks, question 2 seen passage from your textbook again for 5 marks, question 3 poem passage 4 marks, question 4 A is letter writing for 3 marks and B from the given options anyone can be asked. Let us move on to format of activity sheet that carries 80 marks. Framework or format of activity sheet and distribution of marks follows. Section 1 deals with language study. Under language study and B you have got 8 marks and 2 marks. Over here grammar questions will be asked, and section 2 textual passage, it will come from your textbook. Question 2A and question 2B both are seen passages of 10 marks each. Section 3 is poem for comprehension again from the book, and 3B is poetry, that is poem for appreciation for 5 marks. Section 4 is non-textual passage for comprehension that carries 10 marks, and the same passage, under the same passage you will have to write summary for 5 marks. In section 5 writing skills, you have got question 5 letter writing formal or informal of 5 marks, 6A information transfer non-verbal to verbal or verbal to non-verbal, question 6B is view counter view or speech writing for 5 marks. Next we have section 6, that is creative writing. Under this question 7A expand the theme report writing or news report. Even you can get expand the proverb, maxims, quotations, slogans. In question 7B you need to develop a story. Section 1 language study 10 marks. Here we are going to see in detail question 1A, do as directed any 4. Just observe the slide carefully and watch the kind of questions that are asked under grammar. Next you have again set of grammar questions. Any other simple activity can also be added under this category. Next is under language study, do as directed any 2. Now over here the weightage of marks and complexity of the question increases. So over here you have all question carry 2 marks each. So children, just observe all the questions very carefully. Accordingly then you will get the time to prepare yourself well. Next is do as directed again anyone. Here the complexity of the question again increases. All questions carry 2 marks each. Any one out of these can be asked. Just take a glance very carefully. Section 2 is textual passage. As I briefed you before, reading skills, vocabulary and grammar is included in this, that carries 20 marks. Question 2A and B textual passages will come from 15 to 18 lines from your textbook itself. Okay, in these questions, question A is simple factual, then comes complex factual, vocabulary, textual grammar and personal response. Let us move on to section 3 poetry that carries 10 marks. Question 3A is poem for comprehension for 5 marks and B is appreciation of the poem for 5 marks. Here we have distribution of marks. Activities A1, A2, A3 for comprehension is Simple questions of 2 marks, complex questions carry 2 marks, and poetic device question 1 mark. Activity A1 and A2 are just like textual passages. Activity A3 is poetic device, under which following things can be asked, that is rhyme scheme, rhyming words, adjectives, and so on. Under appreciation of the poem, you need to cover following points, that is title of the poem, poet, central idea of the poem, rhyme scheme, figures of speech. Children, remember that appreciation has to be written in a paragraph only and not in points. Under section 4, non-textual passage, over here you have got activities just like textual passages of 10 marks, and for the same unseen passage you need to write a summary. Under summary you will cover suitable title for 1 mark, central idea of it, and the appropriate language used. The summary is expected in 50 to 60 words and should be in 1 paragraph only. See that you write it in your own words. Under section 5 is writing skills, that carries 15 marks. Question 5 is letter writing. You all are acquainted with it. Formal and informal letter, any one. It carries 5 marks. And then here are the distribution of marks of letter writing for formal A1 and informal A2. Question 6A is information transfer, verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal. Again, the distribution of marks are mentioned in this slide. Then comes speech writing or view counter view. Under speech writing, marking scheme is appropriate beginning and conclusion carries 1 mark. Body, that is use of given points and additional points, appropriate use of language, it carries 1 mark, and appropriate sequence and flow of language carries 2 marks. Use of appropriate grammatical structure carries 1 mark, total 5 marks. View and counter view, 5 marks. Marking scheme again, proper beginning and conclusion, 1 mark. Appropriate vocabulary and grammar, expressing his or her opinion in good and lucid language with logical order and appealing and convincing his or her thoughts are expected. Next is section 6 is creative writing. Under this you have expand the theme or news report of 5 marks. Under expansion of proverb, maxims, quotations, this is the marking scheme that is given in the slide. Next you have news report. The marking scheme is title and date line is 1 mark, vocabulary 1 mark, logical order, appropriate layout and conclusion carries 1 mark. Take a look at the marking scheme of news report once again. Question 7 is developing a story or narrate an experience. In this, marking scheme is title and proper beginning carries 1 mark, vocabulary and grammar 1 mark, appropriate ideas 1 mark, logical order and layout 1 mark, and conclusion of your story carries 1 mark. Thank you, children.